Don't put broad beans directly in the fridge. A 30-year-old chef taught me a method to make preserved broad beans that stay tough on the outside and taste as fresh as newly cooked, even after a year. Now is the perfect season to eat broad beans. Broad beans are both nutritious and delicious, and many people love them. And when eaten during the new year, they still taste as fresh as ever. First, peel off the outer shell of the broad beans and remove the small teeth on each bean. Place them all in a large bowl, add 2 spoons of salt, and pour in enough water to soak them for 10 minutes. This helps disinfect and remove any sand. After soaking, wash them 2 to 3 times until clean. Then drain the water and transfer the beans into a container. Put them in a well-ventilated place to dry off the surface water. You can also use kitchen paper to wipe them dry to save time. Heat some oil in a wok and add the broad beans. Fry on low heat for about 1 minute to help the beans form a light oil film and remove any remaining moisture. Then add a handful of Sichuan peppercorns and 2-star anise pods to enhance the flavor. Many people store broad beans by blanching them or putting them straight into the fridge, but without a protective oil coating, the beans often turn black and lose moisture. Stir-frying them in the wok for 2 to 3 minutes until the surface changes color prevents this. Once done, take the beans out and place them in a larger container to cool quickly. After they're completely cool, prepare plastic bags and portion the beans. 1 bag per meal is perfect. You don't even need to defrost them before cooking, which makes them super convenient. Press the air out of the bags, seal them tightly, and label them with the date. Store them in the freezer, and they'll stay fresh for up to a year. Now for a simple and delicious broad bean recipe. Heat some oil in a wok and add a generous amount of chopped green onions. Stir-fry until aromatic, then add the broad beans and stir-fry over high heat for about a minute. Season with 1 spoon of salt and 2 spoons of sugar. Add half a bowl of water, cover the wok, and cook on medium heat for 5 minutes to allow the broad beans to absorb the flavor. Add a few pine nuts and a bit more green onion, then stir-fry on high heat until everything is well mixed. The result is delicious green onion oil broad beans, crispy, flavorful, and beautifully colored. Save it and try it at home.